Okay, this is a very quick video, quite a basic one maybe for a lot of people, but this one solved a bit of a headache for me. Now, the problem I was getting was with my class 14 double X, in fact any kind of locomotive with a coupling like this. Okay, trying to get it near the camera now. There we go, coupling like this. Okay, and we'll try to aim the camera on it properly, and then you've got the carriage, which is this is either an Airfix or a Dapol autocoach. Okay, and they come with couplings rather like this one here. Let's see if we can get it into shot. There we go. There. And what you find on these is that they're incompatible with each other. When you try to get those couplings to couple, the hooks aren't quite the right length, and so you find they will hook together. When you go around corners, you'll get derailments and things, or they'll come unhooked from each other. Okay, but I have found the actual simple solution. Now, I didn't realise you can actually change the couplings on these actual carriages. Okay, and what I did is I bought a pack of 10 of these Dapol Hornby style couplings there. So Dapol Hornby style couplings. Okay, and you can see the couplings are quite good actually. Quite easy to fit. I bought these from the Cheltenham Model Railway Centre, but I mean there's a lot of people selling them. So you've got Dapol style couplings. Now, it's all you need to do basically is snap the old coupling out. Okay, it needs quite a tug to do it, but it will come out, I assure you. I'll put it out a shot. Okay, so now it's popped out. Okay, you can see where the coupling's actually popped out there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this one will actually go inside the box in case anybody wants to actually put these coaches back to original if I ever sell them. And then the new coupling just simply pops in. Okay, so the new coupling now is actually clipped in. So now, my Airfix coach, I've got compatible couplings, okay? And they couple together perfectly well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this one up on the railing ramp in just a moment. And you'll see how it performs now with the new coupling hooks in, okay? Like I say, incompatible couplings, if you take a look, it's just in comparison. In fact, I've managed to couple this together already. So, the other Airfix type coupling, a bit like this. Okay, see if we can zoom in on that at all. There we are. So now we can see it a little bit more clearly. So completely incompatible couplings. Okay, derailments galore, and the hooks were also different lengths, so they never quite coupled together properly. I managed to run them on my layout, but it was a cause of much frustration. But just by simply clipping in a new coupling now, I'm now fully compatible. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to raise the camera up. In fact, I'm using a phone tonight, just for quickness. You can see over there on the railing ramp there. We'll just do this back up again, and I'm going to zoom back out. There we are. So we're back to normal settings. And then we'll watch this coach go round. Now bear in mind, two things were happening. Either the locomotive was leaving the auto coach behind, or it was actually derailing on every set of points. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to try this one out on all of the different sets of points that we got. Okay, so just bear with me 1 second. So we've got our lovely 14 double X going on here. I'm putting the scenery down. I thought, well, it might be just a nice little demonstration of what we're doing. Okay, we'll just move that tripod over just a little. And we'll go handheld as well now, so we can actually see the progress of everything. Okay, so that's our coach actually on here. Now bear in mind I was getting an awful lot of trouble getting these to couple. Okay, so we're just going to put her into reverse now. And that's our Dapol. So what we've basically got running now is a Dapol branded auto coach and the Dapol branded locomotive. There we are, so they've coupled together perfectly well now. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we'll just stop her and see if we can focus onto the other junction. There we are, so we've got the other junction there. We can just raise the camera just ever so slightly. Actually, this is my phone. Actually, this is my phone on a little selfie stick come stand type of thing. So it's quite alright for our purposes tonight though, for doing what we need to do. Okay, so we'll just watch her go around the points. Well, hopefully we got a success now. Perfect. Much better. So that's what I was going to say, and this particular video is all about. If you've got incompatible couplings, okay, and this is the coupling which was originally on the locomotive, on the actual carriage there. Probably don't focus very well, you can see it well enough there. I just simply swapped it out for one of these. I mean, you could change the actual coupling for on the other end as well, but I only couple them at one end anyway because they're just one coach auto trains. If I was doing a two coach auto train, then yes, I change the coupling at the other end. But that there, it was quite easy. Those couplings actually snap out just like the same as on the. You can see the little click there, and they go on. Quite straightforward to change. And we'll just go into reverse. I'll watch our auto coach coming out of the station now. Now that was called, that would have been derailing by now more than likely, or he would have actually lost the coach, okay? And then we'll just bring it forward. You can see now it's running perfectly well with the new coupling in place. And just so it go over those points, it certainly will go over these other points too. Okay. So if you found, I hope you found this useful, and obviously it's very basic, of course. And you know, a lot of us will be looking. I certainly was looking at these coaches, and I didn't realise you would just simply unclip these couplings and change them over. And okay, if you knew that already, fine. But if you don't know, you don't know, do you? And that's something I've learned now. And now I've got my auto coaches. I'm going to change the front coupling on all of my auto coaches so that they'll be compatible with my locomotives. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. If you like what you see, press like and subscribe and ring that bell, and I'll be bringing you some further videos in the future as well. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll bid you farewell and goodbye.